In today's video, guys, we are going to be working on our September challenges. We're going to be setting up some new challenges into our blue binder, and we have some Happy Mail. If this is content you guys are interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, once again, we've got a rather busy video. I'm not sure where to start, but let's see. We're going to start with our September challenges so we can get them out the way. Let me just move this here. I did spend some money, guys. Yesterday, for those of you who did not catch my video, I went to PennDOT, the DMV, and I ended up getting my license renewed and the real ID taken care of at the same time. Now, that's not my spending yesterday. My spending is when we went out to eat. The good thing is that we spent $45 and like 70 cents, 72 cents. But anyway, it was $45. So it is a low spend. So I have to save $2 for this here. So let me just put this $2. And by the way, guys, for those of you who have not printed this out yet, go ahead to Taja's Ko-Fi shop. She's beautiful. Budgets. I'm going to link her in the description. Make sure you guys print this out. It's an awesome way to save money, and it helps keep us accountable. So we've got $2. So we're going to have $4 in here now. And then we are moving over to Yenzi's challenge. We put this here. Now, Yenzi, who is at Budgeting My Debts. Guys, this is her monthly community challenge. She rolls the die, and then we follow. That's why it's called a community collab. However, if it's not within your budget, you guys make it work for you. If you decide you just want to save a certain amount every month, or if you want to roll the die yourself and save money that way, do what works for you. So today, my girl rolled a 6. So we've got $6 going in here. Alrighty. I'm excited to see how much we save. For those of you who don't know, this is a freebie also on her Ko-Fi shop. So make sure you guys go check her out. Again, when I mention these ladies, I want you guys not only to get the freebies, but subscribe to the channel and watch a video or two. Let them know that you're supporting them and how much you appreciate them. Now, this one here, again, is available on her Ko-Fi shop. We're going to put that to the side. And the last September challenge we have here, I found a small paper clip. By the way, guys, my nails, Aaliyah just got done doing them. I was like, yes, baby girl, thank you, because my hands were looking horrible. By the way, guys, for those of you who are new here, Aaliyah is my 13-year-old granddaughter. She's learning how to do nails. So I let her practice on my nails, and honestly, she's getting better. She's getting a lot better. I'm loving it. So let's see. We have $2 left here, so why don't we do this one here? Alrighty, we don't know what the scratch offs are going to be, so we need to work on them soon. Alrighty, so we're going to put this one away. And guys, as I stated, this week was going to be filled with Happy Mail. I have got so many little packages that I need to open. I also need to put new challenges into this binder here because I finished Noreli's challenge, which was, I don't know, what was it, like 10, 11, 12 challenges? I finished that a few weeks ago. So I am going to do her, I guess, part 2 or second edition, which she offered us a few months back. I'm not sure if it's still available, but we're going to check Noreli's budgets as well and, you know, see if it's still available. And if not, guys, check out her other content. She has some wonderful, #1 content on her channel, but she offers a lot of challenges, a lot of freebies. Like I said, make sure you guys check her out. Let me take this. Oh, I dropped something. Hold on, guys. Okay, all of this is in plastic. I'm going to take it out. But for now, I have this here. Guys, these here challenges are from Cassie and Cynthia. They are on YouTube, and they have a Etsy shop that they run together. It's SNC Budget Creations. Guys, you have to check her out. Check both of them out. Look how cute. Beautiful stickers. Thank you for your order. When you support a small business, you are supporting a dream. True. Very true. Oh, I love this. Oh, we've got a mini little challenge. Thank you so much. And look how cute this is. Oh, I love this. Oh, Me and my great grandbaby. How beautiful is that? Love it, love it, love it. All right, we have these two is what I ordered. Guys, look how beautiful. Just give me a second. I'm going to go ahead and open these up and then I'll be right back. My goodness, guys, look how beautiful these are. Yes, I am worthy, guys. We all are. We're gonna put that there for now. And look how stunning these are. I actually did punch the holes through these because I'm gonna put them in this binder. But look how pretty. Can you guys see it? Now this here is a mystery scratch off. We don't know how much we're going to save, but it's from $1 to $15. Here is the beautiful dashboard. Oh my God, ladies, this is beautiful. And look at this one. Love is as good as gold. Now this one here is going to save us $132. I am going to add these into my Christmas savings binder. If we don't finish them this year, that is fine because we're going to continue throughout the next year to work on these challenges, which is why I am adding new challenges here today. Oh my Lord, that is so pretty. Thank you so much, ladies. All right, so as you can see, we have some empty. I'm going to move this stuff out the way. Let me put it here for now. We're going to do cash stuffing. We're going to put new envelopes in here. Let's put this here to the side. We are going to start with replacing some of Noreli's challenges, guys. I hope you can see this. Now, we still have our Blessed Ladies collaboration. We're still working on that. And let's see where we're going to start. So this is Saving for My Dreams. Again, this was a freebie offered by Noreli's. What we're going to do is remove the ones that we have completed. And guys, this was so much fun and so relaxing to complete. I had a great time coloring. I did some of the coloring offline, majority of it I did, you know, while I was on a video with you guys. But again, this was really lots of fun. Okay, so these are done. So again, put that to the side. And we have these here. So we've got Save Them Dollar Bills, y'all. So we're going to put this one in. And again, so creative. And so I'm just going to have so much fun. Car maintenance. Now, even though I can use this money and put it towards my sinking funds, guys, I am still using this binder for Christmas. So all these challenges, whenever they're completed, they're going to go towards Christmas. Stay humble, hustle hard. And this one is Etsy shopping. I definitely need that. I'm doing them 2 at a time so we can hurry up. So how are you all doing today, guys? I hope everyone is doing well. It is raining here. It started raining about a half hour ago. And it's pretty cloudy. It was very windy earlier, but it has died down some. Yeah, it's just raining. I'm looking out my window. No bees out here at all. Thank you, Jesus. Lord, amen. All right, Black Friday, and we have Pet Love. I love these new categories. But again, I'm going to use a majority, if not all, this money for Christmas. But I just love that she is so creative. And again, she's going to make this coloring fun. So here we are. This is the last one. And we're going to go over here, guys, one step at a time. Let's go back. Okay, so we are starting. Y'all know I like to keep this in order. Save Them Dollar Bills is going first. So we're going to put this in here. You can tell some of these envelopes I'm reusing and some of them are brand new, like this one here. All right, next goes car maintenance. I hope you guys can see it. Oh, I'm glad they're in some kind of order. All right, whoops, that's not right. Which one is next? So stay humble, hustle hard. Right. Etsy shopping. I believe Black Friday is next. Yep, Black Friday. All right, after Black Friday, we have, I believe, Pet Love. The last one is taxes. All right, so we're gonna close this for now. Then we're going to move over to this section here. I should call this my Lisa section. This one here is done. This is my 2025 by Nita at the Almost Organized Owl. That was lots of fun to do as well. Now, like I said, these challenges here are from Lisa and Lisa Grateful Me. She does have an Etsy shop as well. And again, I'm going to link everybody's channel name in the description so you guys can show them some love on their channel first and then go on over to Etsy or their Ko-Fi shops and, you know, see what they have, see if there's anything you're interested in. If you don't want to buy it now, there's a lot of freebies. Put it in your cart, save it for later, but just go show them some love. These ladies work really, really hard to create these challenges. So this one here is, again, from Lisa, and so is this one. And we have a new one that we're adding from Lisa. I don't know where I'm getting all this extra money, if I'm getting another job, a husband, a boyfriend, what, but listen. I'm just doing my best to try and be consistent and, you know, save some money. Now, this one here is by Donna, Powered by Creativity. I had this for a while. This is actually an oldie. And I've had it, you know, since last year sometime. I did not cut this out. Okay, this here is her dashboard. You can cut it in half or fold it and then put the money in like that. So I'm going to have to do this off camera. But for now, I am going to add this one here. I don't know why this envelope is doing that. Okay, so again, we'll cut Donna's and add it off camera. And we have these scratch-offs, which we are going to be working on today. So that's that. And we are going to add 2 new envelopes. I'm so excited because these are beautiful. And these 2, like I said, are from S&C Budget Creations. We've got this one here. Again, look how pretty. All right, it's a little tight, but we're gonna get it in there. I might have to, you know what? I'll fix that. I may have to cut the, yeah, let me do that now. Let me see if this one's going to fit. Yeah, this one fit perfectly. So we're gonna put this one first. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I am back. I just cut a little bit off the ends. I didn't want to cut too much off, so let's see. And there it is, it fit perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these little things. Later on, I'll clean up my mess, because that's what I've created, is a mess. And we're gonna go here. And we are going to add, which one first? The blue one first. Okay, and then we're going to add this one. How beautiful are these challenges, guys? I cannot wait to get started with them and start saving some money. Alrighty, so our book is set. We are going to be working on this for a while. I'm not sure what I'm going to replace this year challenge with once I'm completed it in December. But we have these challenges here, which I'm not going to start right away. We're going to leave them in here. I'm also, should I do this? I think I'm going to, yeah, why not? I'm going to roll 1 die. All right. So that's going there. Oh, we need money, don't we? I believe we have $75 here. So we've got 50, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the reason I have a $50 bill is because most of this money is probably going to go towards our scratch off. So let's see. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're not doing any more. Let's see. Let's color this here in. Yeah, we're going to stop here because, like I said, I want to primarily work on the scratch offs. So we're going to go back here. Some of this money is already in my high yield savings account. I wanted to get a couple dollars in interest, you know, before the Christmas holidays. So that's where, you know, a lot of these envelopes, you'll see that I have prop bills in there. We're not going to do this. Actually, we're going to skip all of these. And we're going to go to this scratch off here. This is from Celisa at Beautifully Me and You. Let's see how much we're going to save here today. You know what? We're going to start with 1. I need my calculator. 1 second. I'm going to start with this one here. All right, off the bat, we've got 10. We're not even going to roll the die. Let's do this one next. Okay, so it's 5. Alrighty guys, looks like we have $64. I didn't clean it up because I want to make sure that I did not miss any. Let's do this here. So we've got 10 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 19. That one scared me a little. Plus 4 plus 9 plus 7. $64. Guys, we are done with this challenge here. Let me grab my money. Hopefully we have change. We need $6 and I believe we have change. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. That's going to go back there for our daily challenges that we're working on for the month of September. This money is going here. And you know what? Let's see how much we saved for this scratch off. Now it's $200+ what this here saves. We save 150, 200, 21, 2, 3, $223. How awesome is that, guys? So we actually saved more than I expected. It does say 200+, and that comes from the skip or doubles. Not bad at all. We are done with this challenge here. That is money that is going towards Christmas, but as you can see, $150 is actually already in the bank. So this one is completed. And now we are going to start this one here. And this one, it's a little higher. The numbers are 5 to 30, and it's going to save us $300+. So I'm excited to start this one here. Thank you so much, Celisa, for creating such beautiful challenges. I'm still working on this one here. Kurt Cajun Girl Creates. And of course, we've got these beautiful, beautiful new ones that we'll be working on in the next, couple of weeks. We'll see. Alrighty guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this very busy video. I hope it wasn't all over the place like I felt it was because I had so much going on. But I do want to share, the happy mail that I'm receiving. I want to, still do some cash stuffing. And of course, I want to work on our September challenges because it helps me stay accountable, especially that no spend, low spend one. I, spent some money, so I had to put $2 in today, and that's okay. We had money set aside for, the eating out anyway, so no problems. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It is actually evening time here, but of course, we all know we come from different time zones, so I hope you're having a beautiful evening, night, morning, afternoon, whatever time of day it is, guys. Stay blessed, take care of yourselves, and we will be chatting soon.